Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm starting a new series on the channel called What's New in Canva, and in this series I try to show you the new features, functions inside the Canva. And in this first episode I will show you a new function in not a new application or function. This is the how we can change the item colors in a video mockups. Before that was not possible, so this mug was white and we can insert any image to the mug, but the mug color was white as the preset. But now, from now, we can change also the color of the item, and I will show you how. So I already opened the new Canva page, go into social media, I just create just an Instagram post and go into the uploads and just uploading the image. Now we have two options to do it, what we want. First we can go to the apps, typing mockups and searching for this mockup application, and here we can choose between different styles like popular, like smartphones, prints, apparels, computers, frames, home living, packaging, outdoor, graphics, and like watches. But in the top there is below the popular mockups there is a video mockups. If you click on see all, we can already choose between lots of different mockups. But I would like to show you the other way how you can reach it, and this one might be even more easier. So just click on the image and go into the edit, and here in the edit function we can see the official Canva apps. So here we cannot see the other apps from the third-party applications. This one only appears in the app section, but this mockups is an official Canva application, so we can find here in the apps. So when we opening it, we will see the same. First we have this create a mockup template. Here we can create our own mockups if we can't find what we would like to use, but this is only for images at the moment. Like if you would like to create your own smartphone or laptop mockup, upload your own picture and just use this function. But now I would like to show you how you can change the item color in the video mockup. So I just have to scrolling down, searching for a same mug. I think it was this one. Yep. By the way, it's not important which one I use. So I just choose this video mockup. Now the Canva generating the mockup for us based on this image. And as you can see, what I mentioned, the image is so the mug is white in the video. First of all, I would like to resize it due to try to fit the whole area where we can add the mockup. Now it's better. And in this case, as you can see here, the top of the image was outside of the area. This is a way how we can resize it and fit it how we want. And here there is another option from now, this color option. If you just click on it, we will have the same menu as all the other items, even with the color picker, which is a pretty cool thing. I just have to click on it, pick a color, and I can going up to here to my own upload image. And in this case, I can use the same color on the item as the picture. Technically, it looks really nice with these images when it's not a gradient. If you use a gradient background, that's of course will be visible, and might be in this case better to use a additional color for the mug, not one of the color from the gradient. But now this is just a solid one color background, so we can choose it and just click on apply changes. Now the Canva recreate the mockup, and we will see soon the final outcome. Actually, I just resized the image a bit to fit fully in the mockup, in a mug, sorry. And also the color of the mug is as I set. Just moving a bit, just resize a bit, try to fit on the whole video. Yeah, that's maybe I choose a wrong format, but just let to show you how it works. Now it's fit the whole area. Even I can put in a full screen, and as you can see, the mug is pretty nice, and all the effects like this lights here, it's pretty nice, and the whole mockup looks really real, even with my own color of the item. So thank you, Canva. Before this, that was not possible. We just inserted the image. Yeah, of course, we can already resize it even from the first moment, but this also a nice improvement how we can change the color of the item. It makes more visible, more better, more nicer, matching with our brand requirements. So even, yes, I know with the logo in the white mug is already nice, but this one is improving our digital projects to another level. So I really love this feature. But now this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if you miss anything or struggling anything on Canva. And please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.